Okay, so for this video we are looking at a few examples from your work for today just to help you get started and to make sure you understand a couple things you won't understand, and then there'll be a couple more of the log videos. I'm going to have to give you another video for that. So, of the log problems. So, number one is 5 to the x equals 12. This is a very basic one, but I just want you to see another example since it's been a couple days. When you have a variable exponent to solve, you have to put it in log form. So this is the base of the exponent, and then this is the power. When you put it in log form, the base of the exponent is also the base of the log. So we're going to get log base 5 of 12 equals x. Okay? After that, you're going to have to put in your calculator log. You're going to use change of base in your calculator, and you type that in your calculator by log of 12 divided by log of 5. It should look like that. And I don't have a calculator on me right now, but the answer is going to be 1 point something. My guess would be around 3, but yeah. Okay, so there is your first problem. The next one we're going to do is number 9. For number 9, this is a little more challenging, and this was one of the things I want to make sure that you knew because I don't remember if I told you this or not. So for number 9, you have to, when you do a log or exponential problem, you have to get the log or the exponent by itself. E to the 3x is your exponent, is your power, rather. So we're going to isolate this. 4 is not part of it. 4 is multiplied. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it by itself. So we're going to add 8 on both sides. And that's going to give us 4 times e to the 3x equals 2. Okay? Then we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. And that will get us e to the 3x by itself. So we get e to the 3x equals 2. Now it's a lot like the last problem, except we have this base of e. So we're going to put it in log form. The base is e, so when we put it in log form, e is going to be our base. Log base e of 2 equals 3x. And hopefully you remember from last time that log base e means ln. So ln, it's on your calculator right below the log button, which is beside 7, equals ln of 2 equals 3x. So now you'll just put ln of 2 in your calculator and then divide it by 3 to get x by itself. Alright, the last problem we're going to look at before some notes, I guess, is number 7. Again, you want to get the log by itself this time. Here we had an exponent, here we have a log. So we want to get the log by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 7 on both sides. 7 is not part of the log. So we get negative log base 3 of 8x equals 2. And the reason we subtracted 7 is because the 7 is positive. This sign is for the log. It doesn't have to do with the 7. So we bring that negative from the log down, but the 7 we're subtracting to cancel it out. I'm sorry, and it doesn't equal 2. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Okay, then we go 3 to the power of negative 5. Sorry. Okay, then we divide both sides by negative. So it's going to become positive log base 3 of 8x equals positive 5. I'm going to blame this on being sick. Okay. 3 to the power of 5, we're putting this in exponential form, so we have our log by itself. 3 to the power of 5 is 8x. And I believe 3 to the power of 5 is 243. Yes. Okay, so we get 243 equals 8x. We're going to divide by 8 on both sides. And we can leave it like that, since it doesn't go unevenly.